Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing my Zodiac box. This is the November box. I'm super excited. I kind of did take a little peek inside. If you're not familiar, this subscription is tailored to your Zodiac sign. You'll receive 4 to 6 gifts each month that are based around that. You'll get like things like jewelry, house decor, wearables, all sorts of cool things. I'm an Aries, so this is an Aries box. And we open it up and we have this. This is our insert. It tells us each of the items that we received, as well as the theme. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. So this is a dream-based box, and then the back has your horoscope. I will be linking down below to my full review, where I'll go in depth. I will also link to my Zodiac box so you can check them out. Okay, so this is a card. I don't know. Shamanic Dreamstone. It's blue kyanite, angelite, mugwort sachet, and dreamcatcher. Oh, so there, I think that goes with something in here. Lucid dreaming and astral traveling technique. So this is a little card on astral traveling and lucid dreaming. So those are just, they go along with the item. All right. There is always a gemstone, or you know, crystal, stone, something of that nature. Let's just start where we see things, right?
If it comes with a crystal, can you give the crystal to me?
My son had to interrupt and ask if he could have the crystal. Oh my goodness gracious. Sorry, I had to get my scissors to open this up. This looks to be a little cauldron for herbs and things like that. Isn't that cool? I don't have one of these. I know they're very popular for people that have like smudge sticks and things like that. So I'm glad to have one. All right, let's move along. All right, this is a big box. I'm gonna have to pause again to cut this guy open. So inside this box, we have a really cool trinket box with a Dreamcatcher on it. How cool is this? I can't quite see how it opens. Hold on, give me 1 second. And there you go. That's the inside. I love this. This is super pretty. I love the designs here on this side. It all like works together. Looks really neat. So moving along, here's our stones. These are the stones I'm guessing that were listed on that card at the front. I mean the beginning of the box. So, blue kyanite, angelite, I don't know. There's only 3 stones in here, but there's 4 listed. Mugwort sachet. Oh no, there's a sachet in here as well somewhere. This is the Dreamcatcher. If you don't know what this is, these are, you hang these by your bed and it's said to catch bad dreams. Here's a smudge stick, Dream Spirit, Mountain Sage. So that's really cool. All right, let's see here. I know there's 3 stones in here, so I'm guessing that is the blue kyanite, the angelite, and the shamanic dreamstone, which is the 3 in here. That's cool. So this, I'm guessing, is the kyanite. Or actually, this kind of looks, I have some kyanite, and maybe that's the kyanite. I'm not sure. Could be wrong all around. All right, my son's in the room doing his iPad, so. Next up, we have this Anabella crystals, Aries. Oh look, it says carnelian, coriander, and tonka. Those are my birth month. But this is an Aries candle. It is a wood wick, which is really cool. Ooh, this smells like brown sugar. To be honest, that's exactly what it smells like. I don't know if it tells you anywhere the notes in it. So, all right, moving along. Here's a little packet. Oh no, so this looks just like that though. Did I get double? I think I got double. I don't know, but this is cool. See, these lines are called striations. It's just how the rock is formed. Isn't that super neat? I love that. All right, we're gonna move along. I think I accidentally got, so there was supposed to be, if you look on this card, a mugwort sachet. And I think that one of these was supposed to have that, and maybe it got mixed up or something like that. So there is also an Aries Dream Journal. So it's just a ruled notebook, and I can write my dreams in it. And then, that's it. So let's take a look at our insert, and we'll see where all these awesome items come from. All right, so our Dreamcatcher box was from Jasper and Quartz. The New Age Dream Spirit Smudge Stick is from New Age Dream Spirit. Cast Iron Cauldron from Jasper and Quartz as well. Zodiac Candle by Anabella Crystals. And then the Dream Journal by Sailor Paper Company, who I've received items from them before. And then there's the Astral Travel and Lucid Dreaming Kit. It looks like this was supposed to be the mugwort sachet, and I got the stones, but that's okay. I like the stones a lot. So that is everything that I received in my November box. A lot of good items. I really love the cauldron. This is, if I didn't say it, I think I did, $39.95 a month. I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to my Zodiac Box so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!